Hi, I'm Oli. Welcome to Orosity, an online training company for Oromo communities and learners worldwide, built to grow language, media, and career-ready skills.
I'm Anaan. Start with Afaan Oromo. Writing, reading, listening, and speaking, step by step. With simple practice you can do every day, anywhere.
Orosity also teaches filmmaking, documentary, educational, and entertainment, so you can plan, shoot, edit, and share stories that matter with real guidance.
Explore our library too. Over 60 books by Beekan Erena. And we invite intellectuals everywhere. Bring your ideas, articles, projects, and voice.
Need support now? We offer translation, interpretation, editing, tutoring, and mentorship so you can improve faster and present your work professionally.
Orosity is a pathway. Train, earn certificates in AI, media, language, and career advancement, and build a future you can take anywhere.